Hi students, today we were going to learn about farm animals. Let's look at some pictures here. Cow, cow, C-O-W, cow. Goat, goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Horse, horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Sheep, sheep, H-H-E-E-P, sheep. Turkey, turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Rooster, rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Hen, hen, H-E-N, hen. Duck, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Goose, goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Now it's time for a little test. Match each word to the correct picture. Word number 1, goat. Do you know which picture is the correct answer? Yes, picture 2. Second word, horse. You are great. Is picture 4. Next word, duck. Yes, it's matched to the picture 3. Word number 4, cow. Yes, it's for picture 1. Goose. Which is the correct picture? Yes, picture 3. Sheep. Sheep is matched to the picture 1. Next word, turkey. Good job. Turkey is for picture 4. Last word, rooster. Yes, it is matched to the picture 2. How was the test? Was it easy? I'm sure you did well. That's all for today. I will see you next class. Goodbye.